Good afternoon everybody and welcome to today's job. Today's job is a pressure washing job and it is what we call a surface clean and a rinse. And today's job is a patio clean in Watchet, West Somerset. Today's patio is a straightforward patio. It's all nice one shape, it's on a raised level, nice and easy to clean, nice and easy to drain. It hasn't been cleaned in some time, but the dirt isn't too tough to remove, so it's nice and simple, nice and straightforward. As you can see, the results are very good. In addition to the area that I'm cleaning now, there's a few areas just out of shot the camera doesn't quite capture. There's a centre circle, a few stepping stones to give the whole area a clean. The customer is very happy. Right guys, that's it. Final rinse down complete. Awesome transformation. Take some time to subscribe. It really helps us grow. Do follow us on other platforms. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Thank you for watching. My details are here if you need. Take some time to click the links and we'll see you at the next job.